Alright guys, so if you're facing the problem of your Microsoft Word document page turns gray as the background, in this video I will show you how to solve this problem. Alright, so let's get started. It's quite simple guys, so for that reason you need to move your cursor on the left upper side into the file button. So you need to tap on the file, and then from here on the bottom side you'll see the account option. You need to simply tap on the account. Then from here you will see the office theme, so you need to tap on this option. Probably your PC or your Microsoft document can be selected as use system settings, but for this case you need to select the colorful option, which will turn your Microsoft as a white background, which will fix the problem of your Microsoft Word background as a gray. So as you can see, it has been solved. So that's how you can do it. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.